During the FE exam, you will need to answer a few conceptual or qualitative questions. These are questions that contain only words and don't typically include numbers, and therefore, they can't be solved by equations. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips for how to approach these types of problems and walk you through a sample. But first, let me remind you that the FE exam, or Fundamentals of Engineering, is the first step to getting your professional engineering license. And through the videos on this channel, including this one, you will learn not only how to properly prepare for the exam, but how to ensure that you pass the FE exam. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel here, as my weekly videos will help you pass the FE exam. And please, if you leave questions in the comments, I will answer them on future videos. So let's talk about tackling conceptual or qualitative questions on the FE exam. To help with this, I want to read a sample problem that has been provided to me by Prep FE. Prep FE is one of the most effective self-study FE exam prep services out there, and happens to be one of the most affordable too. Prep FE is an app that gives you access to countless sample FE problems to bolster your self-study efforts. You can visit prepfe.com/redeem and use the discount code in the description of this video to receive 10% off and get some great FE practice problems. So here's the sample problem. Select all that apply. Which of the following is part of an activated sludge system when treating wastewater? A, hardness treatment. B, disinfection. C, clarifier. D, aeration basin. Now, there is no way to memorize all of these concepts that can be found throughout the FE exam. However, as I detailed in a previous video, you will have access to an FE reference handbook, and most, if not all, of the answers to these questions will be located somewhere in that handbook. So when you get a question like this, your best bet is to open the digital version of the FE handbook during the exam and search for the key terms in the question. Now, it's important to note, and this information was also provided by Prep FE, you cannot Control F or Command F like a typical PDF to search the FE handbook during the exam. But the user interface has its own search bar that you can use. Search results include page numbers, so familiarizing yourself with the handbook ahead of the exam is vital. Now, I'm not allowed to go through the handbook in this video. However, for the question I read earlier, I would do a search for the term activated sludge. When I do that, I find all of the pages that contain that term, and on one of those pages, there is a table that lists the design criteria associated with the system, and both a clarifier and an aeration basin is included in that list, where hardness treatment and disinfection are not. Therefore, the answers to this question are C and D. So the bottom line is that when you come up on a qualitative question, quickly identify the key terms, search them using the search bar on the FE reference handbook, and then starting with the lowest number page, go through each of the pages that were returned in the search and look for your answer. Now, as far as pre-exam preparation, you must get to know the latest version of the PE reference handbook, which you can download for free at ncwees.org. Again, you must know this handbook inside and out. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will be solving some more practice FE exam problems provided by Prep FE. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click the subscribe button, as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including practice problems, weekly to ensure that you pass the FE exam. And these are tips that you can't get anywhere else. And believe me, you won't want to miss a single video. And please, I encourage you to ask questions in the comments that I can read and respond to in future videos. Maybe there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, or a question that you need answered. Pass the FE exam will have you covered. In fact, this video was created in response to a comment on a previous video. I'll see you next week on Pass the FE exam.